Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best food containers that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Rubbermaid 42-piece food storage containers with lids. The benefit of Rubbermaid easy find lids is right in the name. These BPA plastic-free containers are designed to solve the problem of searching through a cabinet looking for the right lid. You have the option of either snapping all the lids together in one pile or snapping one onto the bottom of a container. And one lid fits several size containers, further reducing the problem. But that's not the main reason we're recommending them. Easy Find was among the very best at keeping potato chips as fresh as from the package, even after 4 days in sauna-like conditions, making it the best at dry food storage. They're designed for microwaving with a vent in the lid, but beware of zapping leftover baked ziti as tomato sauce leaves stains and pitting. The containers are stackable, so it's easy to store them in your refrigerator or cabinets. The storage containers are offered in a variety of sizes, so you'll be able to choose which works best for your kitchen. Just keep in mind that there's only one size per set, so you may have to purchase a few different sets depending on your needs. The containers have locking lids that are designed to leak. Number 2, Iris USA 3-piece 35 lbs Airtight pet food storage container. Our best overall pick is the Iris Airtight pet food storage container and scoop combo because of its functionality, portability, and airtight seal. While many of the other containers on this list are also airtight, the other features offered by this container system set it apart from the competition. Our tester noted that when sealed and full of dog food, this container did not spill or open when shaken vigorously and tipped over. We also love that this container system is on wheels, making it easy to move in your pantry or throughout your house. The Iris Airtight pet food storage container passed our lab tests with flying colors, garnering perfect scores for the container's design, durability, and ease of cleaning. The latch is easy to open and seals tight, plus it stays attached to the container, so you're not dealing with a bunch of separated parts. The lid fully opens the top of the container, making it easy to dump in big bags of food or access the interior for cleaning. We also love that there are multiple colors available so that you can purchase the one that best fits your home. The scoop included with this container is also labeled with measurements so that you can know exactly how much food you're giving your dog. The white opening also makes this container easy to clean and wipe down when needed. The only downside our testers noted was that there is no way to secure the stackable containers to each other, so you have to rely on gravity instead. Exactly how much food you're giving your dog. The white opening also makes this container easy to clean and wipe down when needed. The only downside our testers noted was that there is no way to secure the stackable containers to each other, so you have to rely on gravity instead. Number 3, Rubbermaid 2-piece Brilliance food storage containers. The best food storage containers are this pick by Rubbermaid. The set includes 4 storage containers with matching lids that are safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer. Plus, the containers are stackable, so it's easy to store them in your refrigerator or cabinets. The storage containers are offered in a variety of sizes, so you'll be able to choose which works best for your kitchen. Just keep in mind that there's only one size per set, so may have to purchase a few different sets depending on your needs. If you want to store sauces, soups, and stews, you'll appreciate that the containers have locking lids that are designed to be leak-proof. And, since they're clear, you'll see what you have in each container with ease. Its reputation for excellent kitchen storage continues with this set of modular plastic food storage containers. The Brilliance line from Rubbermaid is sold at a higher price point than most other containers from the brand, but we think they're well worth it. The tightness of the seal, and there were no leaks. You won't have to break a sweat trying to reopen these containers, though, thanks to a handy lip that makes it easy to break the seal. Number 4, Chef's Path Extra Large Food Storage Containers. The best food storage containers are this set by Chef's Path. The set includes 2 tall food storage containers that'll keep ingredients sealed airtight, helping to protect them from absorbing outside odors, hardening, or attracting bugs. This set of 2 BPA-free plastic food storage canisters can hold up to 6.5 liters of your favorite grains, pasta, or rice, as well as cereals, chips, and other snacks. Tight lids with a 4-side locking system ensure your ingredients will stay fresh and won't spill. Part of what makes these some of the best food storage containers is in addition to the containers, the set includes a few accessories as well. In addition to 4 measuring cups, you'll also get 8 labels and a chalkboard pen, so you can stay organized and remember what you put in each one. That form an airtight and a watertight seal when you pop the 4 hinge locks into place. We love that these containers are square, so they're easy to stack on top of each other. Our testers found a slight leak the first time they shook it during the shake test, but it was fine after that, even though one of the hinges did come undone. For that reason, you'll want to move and store these carefully, especially if you're using them. The manufacturer does note that these are best for dry foods. In fact, the set comes with a colorful set of measuring spoons, making these containers perfect. Number 5 Amazon Basics Glass Locking Lids Food Storage Containers. These basic containers are designed primarily for storing food, just don't expect them to handle going straight from the fridge to a hot oven. Still, this is a great starter set for light to moderate usage. This affordable glass storage container set comes with a good mix of round and rectangular glass containers with their accompanying lids. Those locking lids come with silicone rings to help prevent spills, while the non-porous glass base is easy to clean and doesn't absorb stains and odors. The lids are made with BPA-free plastic and are microwave safe. Be sure that lid placement allows for venting, freezer safe, and top rack dishwasher safe. The glass containers are also oven safe. As with all glass containers, be sure not to subject the glass to extreme temperature changes. For example, don't put the containers in the oven while it's preheating. They warp, deteriorate, and eventually need to be replaced. In this test, we limited our candidates to high-quality plastic storage containers you can reuse time and again. This wouldn't provide an effective spill-proof seal. But we were pleasantly surprised to find that in our drop test, the lids stayed on well enough to avoid major splatters. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.